How to fix Telegram message doesn't exist easily and fast. All what you want to do guys to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing you want to do guys is just you have to open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, disable it, and then you have to wait a few seconds and disable it again. Go back, click on the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on the search bar and search for Telegram like this. Click on Telegram. Now this is the app informations page as you can see. All what you want to do here guys is very simple. Just click on the storage. This is the internal storage. Click on clear cache. As you can see, I cleared all the cache. Go back, click on the force stop to stop running the app in the background. And then click on data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.